Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G56 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this operation is crucial if you'd like to download the app, for example, from a different source than the Play Store, so for example from your browser. All we have to do before that will happen is to open the settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find the apps section, so let's tap on it. And then at the bottom of this list we've got the option special app access, so let's tap. Now we have to scroll down and find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download something from Chrome. So let's find it in the list and tap on it, and then tap on this switcher. And after getting back, we can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember with that and choose the apps wisely. If you want to, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.